What would you do if you heard a strange knocking sound while you were alone in space? That's the terrifying situation that Yang Liwei, the first Chinese astronaut, faced in 2003. Yang Liwei was on his solo space mission, orbiting the Earth in his Shenzhou 5 spacecraft, when he heard a mysterious knock. He described it as someone hitting an iron bucket with a wooden hammer. He was puzzled, because sound cannot travel in the vacuum of space. He wondered if the knock was coming from inside or outside the spacecraft. He quickly checked the porthole, but he saw nothing unusual. He tried to stay calm and continue his mission, but the knocking sound persisted. He reported it to the ground control, but they had no explanation either. When he returned to Earth, he tried to reproduce the sound for the experts, but he couldn't. He was not the only one who heard it, though. Several other Chinese astronauts who went to space in 2005 and 2008 also reported hearing the same knocking sound. To this day, the origin and meaning of the sound remain a mystery.